Of our metro system as we open 3 new stations right here in LA's downtown core. Because of this amazing project, people from as far as Azusa now have an easier access to the beach, whether it's Santa Monica or Long Beach. And parts of East LA that were disconnected from the rail system throughout construction will now be reconnected and more accessible to residents and visitors. Families, tourists, and Angelenos, young and old, now have much easier access to cultural jewels like Disney Concert Hall, the Broad Museum, and the delights of Little Tokyo. And those of you who've been telecommuting might have some added incentive to come back to reconnect with the vibrancy of downtown LA. Yes, that's my CCA folks, yes. So this was a very complex project, and it was only possible because of many leaders who helped to fund, shape, and build it. Both our current board members and former board members who are here today with us. I saw Richard Katz and Bonnie Lowenthal and Nick Petsoris, as well as our current board, First Vice Chair, DuPont Walker, former board member John Fasana, current director, Fernando Dutra, many leaders who helped fund and shape this project. David and Robert and Mrs. Mineta, this day and this setting wouldn't have been possible without Secretary Mineta's tremendous efforts over the years. And I understand that today is actually Norm Mineta Day in the Secretary's hometown of San Jose. But of course, it's LA, and we got to one-up David. So you tell him back in San Jose, we really know how to do Norm Mineta Day. We are so honored that you're able to join us. I also want to thank our incredible Metro staff who worked for years to make this project a reality. I have to do some shout outs. I want to thank our Regional Connector project team, led by our now Deputy Chief Program Management Officer, Matt Antonelli. He started out on this project as the Director of Construction, and we're looking for even more from him. I also want to thank our current and former Program Management Chiefs, Rick Clark, Brian Pennington, and Acting Chief Sammy Gailey. I also want to thank our Regional Connector constructors, the Skanska USA and Trailer Brothers joint venture. Yes. Sergio Rascon, Local 300, and the building trades. You know, organized labor helped us have 7.7 million hours with no major injuries. That's an incredible accomplishment. That's what real skilled, trained, and well-paid labor will do for you. So for Regional Connectors and Trailer Brothers, shout out to Mike Aparicio and James Bailey, Christopher Brigard, our former Metro project managers, Garish Roy, Gary Baker, our Metro staff and project development, Dolores Roybal, Ray Sosa, Mike McKenna, Lori Lombardi, who went and got the money. Thank you, Lori. And Michael Harrington and Olga Arroyo and Jean Marie. And then those enterprising board staffers, Dan Rodman, where's Borja Leon? Dan Rodman, Borja Leon, and now Karina Macias and Ben Feldman, who are all over this, so thank you. And Operations, Conan Chung, Edna Stanley, Hector Guerrero, Errol Taylor, Leticia Solis, and Chris Reyes. We would not be able to open today without you. So before we close out, I would like to thank our partners, the Japanese American National Museum's Wataze Media Art Center, for the video they produce with select footage courtesy of the Mineta Legacy Project. I couldn't be more honored than to share this with you during this very momentous occasion. Jan-M, on behalf of our writers, the winners of Secretary Manetta's legacy and life's work, we thank you all. Thank you, Ann. Thank you, Jan-M Board. Metro, let's roll the videotape.
This is the barracks from Hard Mountain, where I live.
Which one?
South. Let's go south.
Come in, guys. Oh, what did you find? Let's go.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Are you excited? Yes. I see this is the phone response.
Yeah.
Yep.
Go ahead. Wait, are we leaving? No, we're not. Are we?
Come on.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna have to hang on.
It's crowded now.
Are we ready, everyone?
Yep.
Ready.
Yes, ready.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, we're leaving?
Woman's in the house. Yeah.
Beep, beep. Are there more people? This is a very good spot.
Oslo Reyes. Roll.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! It's happened!
Number one.
Yes, it's in the blue line!
Hooray!
30 years of yo.
Oh my god.
Waiting so long.
Yo. The next stop is Historic Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here. Door. Junction.
Here's the first set of points.
Here's the junction right here.
Whoa! This is much nicer than the red line.
Whoa!
We are now arriving at Historic Broadway.
Dude, it's like the red line.
So empty out
Yeah,
here.
it's a crossover
Welcome
point.
to Historic Broadway.
We're the first ones on this side. I can't do this. I'm gonna film it. There's too much noise. Wait, give me. Wait. Oh shit, hold on.
Oh my god, I can't
Thank you. Welcome to the premier train.
Yo! No, there's a lot of people! Highball! We got highball!
Hi! train.
Bye. Bro.
They messed up. The best station's coming up. Whoa.
What's the next one?
Hey! And then we're also gonna do a bit of an incline because remember we had the subway upstairs. So if you notice, it's a slope climb. Yeah, we're going underneath Bunker Hill right now. It's and also a tunnel over under a tunnel.
Finally, this is awesome. This is much nicer than the red line.
It's a relief.
It's also much nicer than the red line, though. Like,
Well, it's new.
I mean, yeah, it's new.
Oh my goodness.
Much nicer than the red line. I'm gonna give this line a 9 out of 10.
We're turning left.
All right, but where's the hill? Where's the hill? Okay, we're going up right now.
No, the hill's above us.
Okay.
We're under the hill. And then this is like a curve.
Wow, it's very easy. See how close it is?
Grand Avenue Arts Bunker Hill Station.
So the Bros Museum is right. There's a bridge exit. Thank goodness.
Yes, we got that bridge exit. Push the button.
Yeah, people coming out.
Thank you. Yeah, this is great.
Posting on YouTube? Get in. Oh, sorry.
I got you. Next stop.
Next stop, 7th
7th Street Metro Center.
in downtown LA.
Connect here to the red line.
Metro B and D lines downstairs, and do not forget to transfer.
And a silver line upstairs on both, you know.
Or the 460 to OC.
Alright, so are we going up now?
No, we're turning left. I see 7th Street.
Already?
Already.
Oh, the door is loose. Door.
The door is loose.
Yeah, mind the door. Okay, see the signal? So,
There they are.
I
got-
see 7th Street.
yep, the signal's inside. We got the signal inside.
No more transfers now, finally.
Oh yes, it's a relief.
Finally.
Right, gentlemen? Oh, doors will open on the right.
Doors open on the right.
7th Street Metro Center in downtown LA.
Doors open on the right side of the Metro Center. Doors open on the direction of the travel. Doors open on the right.
Here we are, 7th Street Metro Center.
And then there's a northbound.
That's Susan.
Oh.
Let's cheer.
There's another blue line.
Yeah!
I'm gonna go Pico, okay? One more in Pico, then I'm gonna do the hops. This was great, man. This is like the best. You're in like one of those like Crossrail or yeah. No, Singapore introduced the new Alstom cars this month, so like people are like leaning towards the platform windows. Okay, well, the old grounds. Uh-oh.
Oh, the art thing. Where's the art thing?
On the north, on that side. Right town beach station. At least they restored this, thank goodness. The last time they did this was New Blue.
to tap again to transfer. This is the Metro A line train.
Oh no, I missed it.